Hello there, my name is Teacher Cheryl and I'm from the Philippines. Do you want to learn English in a fun and exciting way? Well, you're in the right place. I'm a licensed teacher with more than 7 years of teaching experience and I love teach kids just like you. In my class, we will learn English through games, songs, stories, and fun activities. Don't worry if you make mistakes, that's okay. Teacher Cheryl is here to help you step by step and become more confident every day. We can practice speaking, reading, writing, and even pronunciation. Always make sure my students feel happy, comfortable, and excited to learn in every lesson. So, what are you waiting for? Come, come and join my class, and let's have fun learning in English together. See you soon. Bye bye.